Cardi B reacts to her baby daddy Offset being hospitalized after getting into a violent car crash. Hey guys, it's Allie with your most necessary story of the day, and TMZ is reporting Cardi B's baby daddy Offset was hospitalized after he wrecked his green Dodge Challenger in Atlanta around 2:30 in the morning. Weirdly, the site also claims no cops or emergency medical workers were called and no accident report was taken. Apparently, a passerby was the first to report the situation, and cops are investigating why Offset left the scene, but I do have some theories. But get this, TMZ also claims two people in another car arrived at the scene shortly after, and one of them took certain items out of the wrecked car before it was towed away. This is also super suspicious. I wonder who sent these guys and what they were looking for. Another witness also told TMZ he overheard these mysterious men at the scene saying Offset crashed while swerving to avoid a pedestrian who had run in front of his car. So follow me here. Offset crashes his car, he flees the scene, then two henchmen show up and take items out of his wrecked car, and then they start blaming the crash on a mysterious pedestrian. Well, Cardi B, who was not involved in the accident, rushed to the Atlanta area hospital to be by Offset's side. Less than 24 hours later, Offset posted a video showing off his injuries and smoking a little something, I assume, to alleviate his pain. Cardi B has also addressed the situation, tweeting, "So grateful and happy today. God be giving messages in the weirdest way. I love you, Offset." Upon reading this tweet, though, God was like, The Lord does love trap music. But all right, click right up here to subscribe and then go watch Cardi's hilarious reaction to her viral fight videos. It's just perfection.